Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperAlex here with another video. As you can see, we got more mods. I'm so glad you guys liked the last video. It's honestly kind of surprising how many views I got right away. Never really happened to me before. But hopefully I can keep that going. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe as always. But today, I'm going to be installing some intakes, the BMS intakes. And I do have another mod. I finally got up or down pipes, but I'm gonna be installing that another day because it's too hot today, and I think I'm gonna take it to my boys' muffler shop that way we throw it on the lift because it's difficult. Trust, like I saw a video, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go do that at my boys' shop because it's way too much. But the intakes, you know, I can handle that. But as you guys already know, I already have the BMS turbo inlets, so I'm not doing that part of it. It's just literally just changing out the stock air intake boxes. And I didn't mind mine, which I thought mine were fine, and really you don't gain much horsepower. But what I hear, well, not what I hear, but my intakes broke the other day because my belt snapped and it broke my stock air boxes in half. So they're all zip tied together right now. It's all boofed. But without further ado, let's get started with the video. All right, so step one, you're gonna take off this cover right here, which you just do with the flathead. Pop all these little tabs off, pull it out. Step two, well, let me go ahead and take that off, and then I'll show you guys what to take off. It's actually not too bad. It's pretty simple, but let's keep going. I think I'm gonna fully take off one side, and then show you guys an example. So that way you guys kind of have an idea. But mainly all you're gonna need is a flathead, a 10 mil, maybe a screwdriver. So let's keep going. All right, so not to get too ahead of myself. So this is regularly together. So first thing I'm gonna do is pop the top tabs off and then separate this and take off these two 10 mil bolts. So one there, one here, which one's connected right here and one's underneath here. I just picked this up and then put the 10 mil on it. And then you take that side off, and then you'll be able to get this side off. And then it's gonna be one clamp down here, and you just pull up, and then make sure you disconnect the harness for the MAF or whatever, and then you're gonna obviously transfer this into the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that, and it should look something like this. If you have the stock inlets, and obviously it's gonna be a little different for you, but essentially that's how it is. Same thing on that side, just, you know, they're mounted a little differently, like the wiring harness, but essentially the same thing. But as you can see, mine's completely broken. My belt completely broken, and my tabs weren't even there, so I just had to zip tie it together. So I hear they sound better with, like, it makes a little more turbo noise, so guess we'll find out. And so this is the whole kit. So this is what the inlet looks like. This is where you're gonna put the MAF, the screws there. I'm sure you use the stock screws and use your stock air MAF, but these are the heat shields. These are the brackets and bolts it comes with, and it's marked driver side. I think that's what DR means, and then they marked it on the outside too. And then obviously the intakes are right there, but everything looks really quality. I'm honestly pretty surprised. I mean, for $300, I mean, it's a really nice kit. I mean, $300 is a little pricey, I guess, but honestly, it's really quality stuff. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I wish I was. Hey, BMS, sponsor me real quick. I like your products. So I got your inlets also, so let's work something out. But anyways, let's keep going with this video. So as you can see, I'm doing the driver's side. So it's gonna go something like this. So pay attention. So the one with two lips here is gonna go towards the air filter. The one with no lip at the bottom, that goes towards the turbo inlet. And then you use the longer bracket on the driver's side, which is gonna go something like this, because this hole right here is gonna line up with that hole down there, and you're gonna bolt it up to that hole. And then the big Allen bolt goes on this piece here. And then yeah, so this is the driver's side. So the smaller bracket goes, because there's different sizes. The smaller bracket is going to go on the passenger side. So just keep that all in mind. So if you're watching this video, just take a quick look at this. This is the driver's side, and how the MAF is in too. I think that's important, which way you throw the MAF in. Pretty sure. So just pay attention to all that. And the air filter's over there. But yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna install this side completely right now, and then should give you guys a look how it's supposed to look. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, they do look nice though. Kind of regret not doing this a while ago. But as you see, bracket's in, clamp is in on the bottom also, and it's tightened on the air filter. I got the heat shield bracket on, which is 2 bolts down here, which they provide with, and you put the one with the cutout on the driver's side, and then yeah, that's basically about it. It looks really nice. Now I'm gonna do the passenger side. I probably won't show you this side, but if there's something different, then I'll definitely show you. But it's basically the same thing. And I used a 7mm on the bottom clamp and an 8mm on the BMS inlet, or BMS intake filter. So yeah, and then Allen keys, I forgot what sizes. I don't know, I just have like these sizes there. But without further ado, let's keep going with this. Not gonna lie, it makes the engine bay, it makes it open up a lot more, and also it makes it look cleaner. Makes it look more sporty with the, especially with the blue filter sticking out. Like, it's very noticeable. But let's keep going. All right, so there it is, all installed. Heat shield on this side, bracket, both clamps on, air intakes on. Same thing with this side. It's on 2 bolts on this side, brackets down there, as you can see. And it was basically the same on this side. So, not really much. You just make sure to reconnect everything, tighten everything up. And now to hear it. I didn't take a video before, but honestly, you could never hear the intakes on this car, so I'm pretty sure I have it on a previous video when I did the K&N intakes. But I'll give it a few revs here for you guys. Let's see how she sounds. Put a few revs here for you guys. I'm gonna put the phone outside. What the fuck? It sounds hella good. I've never heard this car sound like that. Dang, it gives you a lot of turbo noise. Hold on, let me see if I can get someone else to record for me so that you can hear it like really good. Is all installed, and once I installed this cover, it is in here a little bit, so I don't know if maybe I just need to adjust it more, but I'll probably just make a little cut here one day, like another day, because I ran out of time today. But in order for this to come back on and fit, it seems like you have to remove the plastic piece underneath this, which is this. It was kind of like where the intakes used to go. It's just a whole bunch of screws, so pretty simple to take it off. But those are basically all the tools I needed right there, so not much, honestly. Your basic hand tool setup should get you by. But without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. As y'all can see, it sounds amazing. I didn't expect that at all. Honestly, I didn't know that they sounded like that. But yeah, I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. And stay tuned, actually, because I'm going to be racing a few more cars here. So obviously in Mexico. Never done in the streets. Always done in Mexico on a private close course. So yeah, let's get going.